Okay, there's some breaking news coming in. We believe that an earthquake has now been reported in the national capital region. Tremors have been felt in large parts of northern India, including Punjab and Chandigarh, as well as Haryana and Delhi, Srinagar and Himachal. Also, the earthquake of magnitude 6.2 on the Richter scale, it occurred at 3:35 IST. The region seems to be the Hindu Kush region in Afghanistan. We are also on social media seeing that there are jolts and earthquake that have been reported from across the border in Pakistan and Afghanistan area as well. Anindo Banerjee is now joining us. Anindo, take us through the details that you have at the moment.
Smita, it's very early to comment on the detail of the tremor, but we can confirm that there's been a minor tremor that has been felt at this point of time around the northern part of India, particularly also areas bordering Pakistan as well as Afghanistan. As you rightly mentioned, the epicenter has been Hindu Kush, which is in Afghanistan. The intensity of the whole quake has been 6.2 in the Richter scale. As far as any fatalities are concerned, none as such as we speak in the northern part of India. But remember, there has been a deadly earthquake. In fact, more than a deadly earthquake in this area, particularly in the other side of the Himalaya, that is the Nepal, and we have seen how it massive losses that result in massive losses of the human.
Absolutely, Anindo, and we can just keep our fingers crossed and hope that this time around the damage is not massive, but we will have to wait for more updates coming out from other cities and states as well. Remember, a quake measuring 6.2 on the Richter scale has been reported, especially in Delhi and northern areas of India. But as far as that Afghanistan-Tajikistan border region is concerned, we are hearing that there the depth is reportedly 214 kilometers. So quakes have also been felt in neighboring Pakistan and Afghanistan. We will keep an eye on the latest as far as the earthquake, and we can just only hope that devastation is